I used to wonder what it'd be like to have someone miss you while you went poo. But that was before I discovered owning dogs. When you commit to owning dogs, you can finally start receiving unconditional love from someone who can't even tell that you're ugly. And on top of that, dogs turn your house into a home. And also a prison, because you can't go anywhere anymore. But when you get a dog, you basically guarantee that you'll have a friend for 10 years, followed by 2 years of vet bills and then a tragedy you'll never fully heal from. Try owning dogs today, because if people don't love you, buy a creature that will.